Okay, so not too long ago, Chase upgraded their sign-up bonus for the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. So the sign-up bonus used to be 50,000 points. Now it is 60,000 points for the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. So in this video, that's what we're going to talk about. But before we get started, I have a quick message. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Duane with howtobuildcredittv.com. And on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know about credit, credit cards, and how to make money using credit cards. So if this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so the Chase Sapphire Preferred card now has a new sign-up bonus of 60,000 points. Now, I'm not sure if this is in response to the Amex Gold card or what exactly, but Chase decided that they wanted to up their sign-up bonus. So this is actually good news if you're interested in getting this particular card from Chase, the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. However, in this video, I wanted to talk about it real briefly here to kind of see if the new sign-up bonus of 60,000 points is even worth it at all. Okay, so the old sign-up bonus with the Chase Sapphire Preferred card used to be 50,000 points after you spend $4,000 within 3 months. Now the new sign-up bonus is 60,000 points after you spend $4,000 within the first 3 months. Now before you get excited, let me tell you right off the bat here, this looks cool, except the old sign-up bonus used to have 50,000 bonus points once you spend $4,000, but there was no annual fee for the first year of membership. So the annual fee was waived for the first year, and then after that, it is $95 a year. Now, with this new sign-up bonus of 60,000 points, of course, this creates a lot of excitement for people. However, the annual fee is not waived for the first year. So you do have to pay 95 bucks right out the gate for the first year for your annual fee. So I'm not sure if this sign-up bonus is really worth it, because in all actuality, that 50,000 bonus points, the old sign-up bonus, was basically worth about 650 bucks if you redeemed it in the Chase Ultimate Rewards system. Now, the 60,000 bonus points is worth 750 bucks. So like there's a difference of about $100. However, the fact that your annual fee is not waived for the very first year kind of means that I guess there's like a $5 difference. So you're gaining $5 from going from the 50,000 sign-up bonus to the 60,000 sign-up bonus. However, if you're like me and I don't like a lot of credit cards with annual fees, the fact that the annual fee is not waived for the first year is kind of a downer for me personally, because I'm like, dude, like it would have been a lot more beneficial and productive for everyone if the sign-up bonus was 60,000 points with no annual fee the first year and a $95 annual fee thereafter. But that's not quite the case. So I wanted to make a really quick video and talk to you guys about that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump on my laptop because I want to show you on the actual Chase website so that you can kind of be, as informed as you can possibly. So give me 1 second and I'll see you over on the laptop. Okay, so real quickly, I wanted to have a look at the Chase website so that you guys can see for yourself the new offer regarding the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. So as you can see here, it says earn 60,000 bonus points after you spend $4,000 on purchases within the first 3 months from account opening. That's $750 towards travel when you redeem through Chase Ultimate Rewards. Now, that's clearly where Chase credit cards really shine. So the fact that you can get 60,000 bonus points, which can be worth up to 750 bucks towards travel, is really good. So the Chase Sapphire Preferred is actually a really good card. And I just kind of wanted to come to the website just to kind of show you guys here for yourself so that you can see and, make an informed decision as to if this card is right for you or not. So they're kind of doing a comparison here between the Chase Sapphire Preferred and the Capital One Venture card here, which I'm not sure why they'd compare that card, but I guess you have to do whatever you have to do as far as marketing is concerned. So with this particular card, the Chase Sapphire Preferred, you can earn 2 times points on travel from airfare and hotels to taxis and trains, which is pretty good. Then, of course, you can get 2 times points on dining worldwide. Now, I emphasize worldwide because I have the Amex Gold card, and you actually don't get anything. Well, you get 1 times point for dining abroad, but you get 4 times points within the US. So the fact that you can get 2 times points on dining worldwide with the Chase Sapphire Preferred is really incredible. And then of course it says you get 1 point for every dollar spent on other purchases. So of course with Chase Sapphire Preferred, there's no foreign transaction fees, which is clearly very important. And then, of course, you can transfer points to all participating frequent travel programs at a 1-to-1 value, which is very, very important. There's also auto collision damage waiver with your Chase Sapphire Preferred card. There's trip cancellation insurance. There's zero liability protection. There's 24/7 direct access to customer service specialists. And of course, there's baggage delay insurance, which is really good. Now, there's a $95 annual fee for the Chase Sapphire Preferred. And the thing is, this used to be waived for the first year. So as cool as the new offer is, which is 60,000 points when you sign up and you spend $4,000 within the first 3 months, the fact that you're having to pay your $95 annual fee right out the gate, it doesn't really offset the 60,000 bonus points, because in reality, if the 50,000 bonus points was worth $650, and now the 60,000 bonus points is worth $750. Basically, there's a $100 difference there, and your annual fee is $95. So you're, I guess, gaining $5 if you look at it that way. But basically, I think the Chase Sapphire Preferred card is a great card, and if you haven't already used all your slots for Chase the 524, then I would totally encourage you to get this card if you're interested. You can always downgrade this card to another card if you'd like. So I kind of just want to show you guys the website and kind of help you make a better decision as to if you should get the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. So thanks for watching this portion of the video. I'll see you back in 1 second. Okay, so before I end the video, I want to give some love to my patrons over on Patreon. I'll be sure to put the link on the screen so that you can check it out. The website is patreon.com/howtobuildcredittv. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show my patrons some love on the screen right now. Thank you so much again for watching this video about the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. If you liked the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps our channel quite a bit. And if you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer it as soon as I see it. Once again, my name is Duane with howtobuildcredittv.com, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.